have had a very long association with the RAS and with the Easter Show because we find it is a perfect platform for us to be able to show what we do. So we can show people the product, we can do a cooking demonstration, tips and the hints, people get to taste what we're doing, we give them recipes, and we find a perfect way to engage with such a cross-section of consumers that covers such a broad scope, and it's only in the context of the Easter Show. Fantastic exposure for us, and we know that because we see people coming back to our website, we see people coming back to visit us so that we know it works, and that's why we're here every year.